Loilo paiti ho zosi once again welcome back to Bubong Thai Koi channel. Tunin class aban anazom kita hitin. Zani chun session kichaiting kun chun question khat in a self win. Each question chu based on one person added or one person joins in a group. Tuni hin each question chu da ki bang che khat a concept ki bang khat na kun hitin. Jiban kiting hile mi khan in ada ha na case. One person left the group. Suban kiting sule more than one person added or left the group. Dia zat chum concept zat chum in simu hitin. Zani yang chun isim tawin tunin anavel tin question number 39. Average weight of 30 students is 38.5. That is number of students of 30 again. Average 38.5. One new student joins the class, then the average weight is increased by 0.5 kg. Find the weight of the new student. In case of one person added ahin na hitihin amas penin ASN at hot chewite number 2 30 students ahin na average is at the same 38.5. One new student joins the class mi khat ang be na ahile 31 ki sura ta na average increased by 0.5. average is 0.5 akal le isa ki surata 39 ki surata na ahile find the weight of the new student. Newcomer pa chu a weight is at ham ti ho du ahile hilai na ku ding hi 30 into 0.5 is at ding ham 3 into 5 to 15 na 0 kuma dole chun 0 point jawa khatum that means 15 plus it na plus on 0 plus 39 hito 1 multiply is multiply line multiply na 31 into 1 31 plus 31 46 plus 46 kg. Newcomer's weight. Jani yang isay tawin 39 into 1 ibig nga ki bola 30 into 0.5 ki bol ham itile dele chun 30 students group mani umta chun 30 students chun hicha hin mi khat lu na chun mi khat alu le alu jo ba hin atil bolen 38.5 kg so na alu जो बहिन kg इजाद इंतहाम average weight to 38.5 so alut na hile 38.5 becomes 39 so tha 39 average weight hile newcomer pa ading jong average weight to 39 kg ki ti na ahile a question na say kit khatsu average weight increased by 0.5 kg na alu na hil average weight 0.5 kg akala so jise ni pi say nam itile mi izam 30 students so na 30 students achang chi uga 0.5 kg kal that means total changes izam 0.5 su average akal jana akala hi le total su 0.5 into mi khat chia 0.5 kal mi som thuma dinga chu ija kal dam teni multiply le chun 15 kg total change na a hi le to hin consider kit le chun mi khat alu na ko na average akal the ya le ept ham alu pa hi atil abula average with sanga avit tamzo ti ne tamzo lo hen bang hile average with kai nim di ama ve hi atamzo ji achun average with chu sukar chu na ti chu chu a hi je achun average with 39 ta chu average with 39 here average with na ko na izat ama hi we hi tam dham iti ada 15 na tam ji adi jo 15 jo total changes so ahi ama we ju jada tam 9 plus 5 14 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 15 38.5 39 sorry 39 into 1 to 39 है ना and plus 5 14 3 4 5 54 kg now 54 kg ना concept base आ ताई ना खोटे जो exam part ले तब ngay खोट ना part hit tom zero जो आई जे हैं concept base इतनी का concept base आने खोट हम इतने there will be some complex questions where you cannot use this type of method. Shortcut tricks doesn't work on all of the questions, all of the complex questions. Na, ahi tije ajan a concept ni thema hele question ji iti complex yang na a concept na clear pot na hele na solve thei ki ja concept ma concept base ana ko na la diagram ka su hi ne theme na che na ding ding 30 students na 30 students in average na ahile mi khat anglu le it becomes 39 average tha na ama we to 39 here ama anglu je a average akala hi le that means ama weight total weight that means actual weight real weight to 39 sanga tam jadi dini chu 39 plus izana tam dham itile total changes tano ko pita total changes to itna ho dham itile average to 0.5 akala hi le na totalize that kaldham 0.5 into 30 because its students weight increases by 0.5 then for 30 students total increase is 30 into 0.5 to 15 plus border 54 kg nang body ya aban hin concept based on one person left quote out in the average age of 17 students of a class is 23 years one student left and the average become 24 years find the average find the age of that student average find the age of that student na ada pa kum su isa ham ti ki da mai as in method na su the number of students su 17 students of a class is 23 na ahile one student left and the average become one student left means minus 1 ahile 16 suta na 24 years last one na ahile ada hapa kum chu na hol dile 17 into 1 24 into minus 1 17 into 1 2 plus 17 na 24 into minus 1 2 minus 24 minus into plus minus number ta na 24 minus 17 to 7 sign will be minus because minus is greater 7 minus signifies that the person left the group na kung sagi heti so ahile concept based in khotik golechon velachon previous age 23 years mi khan ada ha pha nahin 24 years average is ana kalam average khatna kala so na velachon suppose group kan en mili om tai na dihin ada ha tai dihin ada ha ahi le question ma sa chun ep se ram ada ha ahi le average kim di dor zo na ahin la dihin ada ha pa na hen average 23 becomes 24 epc hintem aman ada ha average akal ing the chi piham ama ji ai average kim ning ti ne jo he was the burden in the group na akum hi niem jo 23 sanga akum na hom zo ti ne jo ama hen akum hi average sanga anim chi aso average na kai niem jo na ada ra phan average ka ning jo that means his age will be lesser than the average age ahile vela chun aman ada ra phan hin average age 24 ta jo na ahile average ka na kal jo average ka na akal le totalize kal dham total changes 1 into 17 to 17 na average sanga thom de chula na thom lo dingai le minus na bole ta so apum minus na bole 7 aile concept of an circuit hitin more than one person left or joined. The average of 5 numbers is 7. When 3 new numbers are included, the average of the 8 numbers becomes 8.5. The average of the 3 new members na mi thum ang lut be ho average weight ti kang chun average weight na ho do na ninga chun a total weight for the 3 person na hele average for to ha ta lo chana divide by 3 na bol ki sai ta is a chun total weight of the 3 new members na ho masat na average sum number atin abula chun mi nga ahi na average su 7 he ati chu ahi le mi thum khyap le mi ja su ta mi ge ahi le average su 8.5 ki su ta na average become izat kalam 1.5 na ahi le 5 into 1.5 5 into 1.5 sudah ham saya kalah series so 5 into 1.5 8.5 into 3 it's 5 into 1.5 so 15 5 so 45 nah yes 75 point om je 7.5 plus ahi je plus 8.5 into 3 is that ham 5 15 3 8 24 25 plus na plus ahi je gom na chun 10 12 13 33 average is that ta 33 to total me to mading as total chuna average no holding out there divided by 3 to 11 oh chichoin concept bi sana khut ki dinga hele 5 numbers average is 7 when 3 new numbers are included average of the 8 numbers becomes 8.5 that means 7 nahi ya mithu mangdu be pha nahin 8.5 ki sota izana ka ham 7 up na 1.5 so 8.5 1.5 akal so na 1.5 akal le total izat kal dham total changes 1.5 into 5 na 15 5 is 75 7.5 ita na ahi le total 7.5 changes unso average akal la ahi le that means anglu tha ho total total chu average sanga tam ju hi ti 8.5 so average chu la na 8.5 average chu la 8.5 average chu mi khat na bi ngai chu ang ru pha ngai na suppose average chu nga ai tai na mi thum hong lu na chu mi thum hong lu le 5 become 8.5 that means mi thuma dinga hin mi thum hong lu hoi mi khat na mi khat a khat chi wa khat ni thum a khat chi wa 8.5 average ti nei chu khat pa 8.5 khat 8.5 khat 8.5 average si dinga chu that means total la chu amo hoi total sum total ja ning nam 8.5 into 3 this one na total average for the 3 persons 8.5 into 3 3 5 is 15 3 8 is 24 25 see total average for 3 total average for the 3 person is it to 7.5 na komputa 7.5 to total changes CPM total changes na gom le chun 10 7 plus 5 so 12 13 33 average na holding ai le divided by 3 11 oh ai le more than one person left or join ahin na ama sa patron more than one person join ahin to hin more than one person left oh the average marks obtained by 40 students of a class is 86 40 students having an average so a mark average 86 that means a rang pi in 86 a move teacher ai wale majority atam jo 86 a move in khat le ni chu 84 mu un thei 87 mu yong thei ai la atam jo 86 a move ti me so ai pa wa if the 5 highest marks are removed mi nga mark chu kela do tale ti highest la highest aga ti na confuse lo du nga ti na hi yang highest aga ti chu confuse a chu confuse ani nga ko yu 5 highest marks are removed nga mark nga chu kela do ta hen lang le the average reduces by 1 mark that means 86 will become 85 86 will become minus 1 volume 85 now the average mark of the top 5 students 85 pa hi total average for 35 students yeah aman kita ado hi mi nga kila do na mi nga ma kila do chu nga a chu average si ja nam atile nga kila do ho chu total nehen masak ngai ti na total nehen na le divided by 5 volume average na mu ta chu ahi le aju wa e bol ji pama chun ASN method mang le chun 40 students average to 86 ahi ti chu na mi nga ki remove su na it becomes 35 average reduces by 1 that means 85 40 into minus 1 85 into minus 5 bole chun 40 into minus 1 to minus 40 na 85 into 5 ja dengam 5 is 25 5 8 is 40 42 plus into minus tingin ko mahile 5 465 na assign to minus indicates that leaving a group cha da ha ve ti ve sa nei cho average ja data 465 divided by number of students to 5 5, 9 is 45, 5, 3 is 15, 93 jo na. Concept bi sana khut ti dinga hele average su khana kim chu khana akim la total izana kim dingam 1 into 40. Total changes to 40 tajo. Ahile average reduces by 1 mark na. Hilahin minga na da ha jo na minga na da ha average akim ti a hile ama ho total marks su average sanga cha tam joi ti ni jo average sanga tam jo ja da ha wa average kim the jo is chun average sanga chu tam jo ti ni jo 40 a tam jo ti ni jo na average su ijata amon ada ha pha no hi 85 so ta na average 85 mi khana chu 85 so ai le mi nga chu na da ha chu mi nga a dinga chu la 5 5 is 25 5 8 is 40 425 425 average ama ho dinga total a hi le 425 sanga tam je ti ni sam ama ho total izana tam de plus 40 a tam de na go ma hi le 465 so total marks of the top 5 students na average na ki dinga hi le divided by 5. Question number 18, question number 43. A player scores 87 runs in his 21st innings and the average increased by 2 runs. Then find the average before 21st innings. Na. A question hi question based on cricket game ki chim na a base hin na. Cricket ko vele chun average run ai le average wicket ki ja chum moment na. Run number of runs kiti ja chum moment si cho hin it's a hobby sa chung question hin na. Innings in this 21st innings cricket chu innings sa ki chim na first inning, second inning, third inning, fourth inning, fifth, sixth tas innings ki count cho player kanin bet abo e khat betting abo na chana e chu ta chun innings ki count na hi che hin a question na se hi suppose first inning ahin 40 runs samutay na. Second innings ahin 50 runs. Third innings ahin 50 runs ma amoy na ahile fourth innings ahin 50 ma mo kita na. Suppose examples ahile hita chun chi 21st innings ta chi 20 innings chan ge hi average hi suppose 50 hita na aran ho average na 20 hita ala 21st na ahin ep hita mitile 87 runs amui di 87 runs amule average hi and the average increased by 2 runs ni akala kiti jo na that means 52 suppose example jo 52 bang kiso tayo na ahile find the average before 21st innings 21st inning masanga 20 innings ani average ibiham on example 50 ila okay je pai hole in kiti jo na ahile vele jun runs hilahin ASN ipoi the du chi pi ham jele average chu ep ya sum chu ep ya number hi ep ham na ti ipoi the jo vele chun first second third up to 21 chan hong chu na ichi hi number hong ji ta 21st masang chun 20 chu na 20 innings vele chun average ta na sum ki tipai number of runs ta sum ki tipai number of runs in tin average ki chu rate point run rate amutan point chu average ta na 20 innings an chun average ti pilo na yon I ho do du hi ja chu a ti ta na that means number of runs so 20 into a sum to a into n chila na or average equal to sum divided by number. That means sum equal to average into number 20 into a. Aile vele chun rate chu hoi chu rate na lading hoi chu runs a lading hoi chu number no la thang pi jo ne pat ga si pe tin le. Suppose nang bang chu cricket ne ke chem tai na batting na ball so batting na ball a khat ve ong se ule 6 run na jep do so na ai la khat ve ong khet do kin le 1 run na mu chu te bang chu run na mu le a rate chu idi ki sim dam na rate chu nang sim ding a hele run is a na mu m na divided by innings ki ti so innings suppose inning khat na chu run som thun na mu zo vai le so 30 cho rate ta so ayo le 2 innings a chun 60 runs na mu zo vai le so rate ngi ta na that means rate chu average ta so rate or average equal to sum chu run ngi ta number chu innings ngi ta na is in average na hin rate ilawin sum na chun run sa hin number hin na chun innings sai na ai le 21st innings in is at amu atiam 87 runs average su is ana kalam tu na a plus 2 so 21st innings ahin 87 runs sa mu 87 runs sa mule plus 87 ki ball so na ichi nai plus 87 ki ball le ilai ipidita 20a plus 87 20a plus 87 chu ipidiki bangding ham 10 multiply na ball le chi chai ve lu ball so na 21 into a plus 2 na ichi hi 21a plus 2 into 21 chu 42 na 20a 21a si langai tha do le chun 21 minus 20 that means a bo ne ta na ai ne si langai tha do le chun plus will become minus 87 minus 42 is that hum 5 6 7 4 45 average 45 ta na a value by a value hi a question and to find the average before 21st innings 21st innings average a plus 2 hi before atile 20 innings na 20 innings na average to 45 answer to 45 ita so abanin question khat bolkin hitin. Question number 44. Average of ABC is 84 kg. D is included, then average becomes 80 kg. That means ABC mi to mani wa khat hunglu page na. One person added. If a person E whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D replaces A. Case of replacement. First case so added, second case replacement. Ita na. Question hoy. Previous question jong hi na. Ini ngam tilepan edit concept to replacement concept. Ita so. Whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D replaces A, and then average of B, C, D, E becomes 79 kg. Find weight of A. A weight to EP ham. Take it out. His question him. Case of edit and case of replacement. Kipon so. Ahile. Iti boarding with them na. Mas penahin ABC. Amo average IPKPM 84 so na. ASN iti so na. Number mi za am mi thum so. Na. Ahile aban hin ABC D mi khat hong zau be so na. ABC mi khat hong zau be. Mi khat hong zau be average so 80 heta to hi mi ta na. Izana mi so khana kal langa hin average so izana kimo fora kimo so na. Average fora kimo na. Ahile case of edit so mi khat hong zau be so na. Mi khat hong zau be le hong zau be pa weight chu izat ni dingam ti ho la so na. Iti whole divided mit le 3 into minus 4 to bola 80 into plus 1 multiply for so na. 3 into 4 to 12 minus 12 80 into 1 to 18 na. 80 then minus bola chun 8 68 na plus 68. That means D weight to 68 ita. D weight mo ta na. Ela ba na sa ikit ni? A person E whose weight is 3 kg more than that of D. D sanga 3 kg alin dt. 68 plus 3 to janam 68, 69, 70, 71. 71. 71 to E tacho. E weight to 71 here. Whose weight is 3 kg more than D replaces A. A replaces body cho. A replaces bowling. A here lahin. E hung tacho. B, C, D. Now. Replace it, then average of BCDE becomes 79 kg. 79 kg. Find weight of A. Weight of A evolving task. Ahile lai verachun ABCD BCD E hin A replaceable so na. A case of replacement so. Kisite ni chung ai case of replacement. Na solve ki dita. Mi jana mili. Langa lang mili changes to 0 acho na. Ami za ki khel lo. Aki khel chi piam tele average kim cho. Average jana kim em. Khana kim cho na. Khana kim le average khana kim le total changes is at dingam. 1 into number of persons to 4. 4 into minus 1. Total changes to minus 4 na. That means 4 ito multiply so na total changes to -4 -4 hi le bela chun BCD ki bang so na BCD ki bang changes to a pa na e bo ya total chu 4 a change zo chu e weight is on ham 71 chu 71 here -4 that means 5 na 4 decrease le 71 ki so chu ahi le a na holding a hele 71 plus 4 dita 71 plus 4 chu 75 lo do na aji so e chu 71 imu ta chu na imu wala hi changes to -4 jo total changes -4 hela na second to third case hai -4 -4 hi le BCD le ki bang ger hi le teni bo ki ger hi le khat 71 hi le -4 a ki meti le 71 plus 4 na bole 75 ulta inverse a chi to na 75 75 kg oh hali aban bol hitin question number 45 is equation hi koi mo na SCT ari aji chu an number jong khel gela ko pp sa bol ba ki repeat thei chuna a repeat ju ai equation is simple chun average of 11 players of a cricket team is increased by 2 months when 2 of them aged 18 years and 20 years are replaced by 2 new players. The average of the new players is this. Replaced by and the part le a question a case of replacement hi na case of replacement. Replacement means atila som la khat hi le mini pona mini yang lut bela tu yang som la khat hi din so there's no change in the number of person changes is only in the years apote ni 18 to 20 ai ang lu te ni izat de ham ti sana average holding a hele akum han het masat ngai sana average is holding a hele akum han het masat ngai velachun a question hin se ga explain hen 11 players how many 11 players la hin 2 players apo ni akum han chu 18 year 20 year na amani khel hin mini yang lu akum han ki dong chana akum han ki dong akum het na dinga chun EPS evem tile alu mini alu na hi le average hi 2 months in akaleti na replace there is no change in the total number of persons atila som la khat ni chu mini apol ba mini hong be ke le som la khat na ahi le 2 months akal be thia li ipi ke se na ham iti le ahung lu te ni hi apo te ni sanga akum han ali ne lin hon lo hen lang hi le average langai akum chu kal thei lo amani kum chu 18 plus 20 that is 38 years amani kum jo total 38 year ile 38 sanga tam jo dheti 18 year plus 20 year plus na 38 sanga tam jo dis izana tam ding ham iti a hile changes total changes equation of total changes hu izanam 2 months na hello sorry 2 months average 2 months akal thia hile abulanga ase yuchu abc bangsu mi thu mi dele average langa hin 2 kalta yan dang le langa yang 2 kalding langa yang 2 kalding langa yang 2 kalding na that means 3 into 2 kiti so hichma bangsun langa average 2 akal le 11 person ahi le 11 into 2 that means 22 months kal ti ni so 22 months aru tha te ni kum ju chi ta ijata 30 year 22 month average ki dong so na average ki dong le 30 year 22 month vele chun 22 to 30 in a go the lo dis ana gom phana te why because 38 years ya 22 in terms of months na go digu na hele 22 in terms of year ana kon ba na isu 22 chu months chu year ana kon ba dinga le divided by 12 nan bo ai la bor ke khela ngai lo na it will just complicate the calculation average to how many persons 2 persons na 2 langai plus so plus le divided by 2 nan bor pha le 30 na dinga divide 2 hitting 22 ayong divide 2 hitting na 2 1 is 2 2 9 is 18 19 years 11 months ichu aru tha te ni kum ta na mele chun 18 is tam jo 18 years 19 years na average so tam de ti cho aban hin question khat ya khat slightly different de khat na ko ni ken this question hi ratio and proportion concept ni ko tawin mixture and elimination concept ni ko tawin average question mama ahin la average question hi wangin allegation concept ma input in that is a question hai kya do mun thawai in a school the average age of students is 6 years and there of 12 teachers students who are in average to 6 ahin teacher who are in average to 40 ahin na if the average age of combined group of both teachers and students ala combine ading achun 7 years student ading achun average to 6 ahin teacher ading achun average to 40 na a combine chula combine students to teacher combine average to 7 jong average chi sui chu mixture allegation concept ki ti hin man de phar le number thum ta koi chi na ki koi ji khat average hi le khat average khat jong average athuma average that means it di da khat kg hi le khat kg person hi le khat person na tabanga chu kilaji na ki so hi ahi le abona average gel ka khani student na khani teacher a khani mix a na student to teacher a mix a ahi le number of students to number of teachers no hold on thing ahin a ratio na hold na ratio chi tin mudham tele teni defense line ji ta defense ja nam 33 na teni defense ja nam 1 na assign la ngai ta ro 33 is to 1 a question na say he 12 teachers ati number of teachers to 12 ta na ai students ji jada tam 1 value 12 hai ila 33 value jada tam 33 into 12 means 330 plus 66 to 6 is 396 na answer so 396 students question number 1 in an exam the average was found to be 50 mark after deducting computational errors that means calculation error na the marks of the 100 candidates had to be changed from 90 to 60 each and the average came down to 45 marks where ati la chun 50 mark average for all the students na aile error ho remove an ki bol pha na chun 45 hong ki so ta na decrease of 5 mark na average decreases by 5 mark. The total number of candidates who took the exam, total number of candidates ke dong na ahile a question in say hi a question kha ka explain it na total number of candidates in hi saute ahile average calculate an ki bol hin suppose mi kha chun out of hundreds total to 100 hi saute 100 la chun kha chun 80 amu in kha chun 70 amu in kha chun 60 kha chun 90 90 90 9 a question in say here chun the marks of the 100 candidates had to be changed from 90 to 60. That means 90 mi hun hin mo hi mi zakhat mi zakhat hi wen hi cho chu 60 helen 90 ki ji chu that is why there is an error aile hi ji chu correction in ki bota sin ki bola hin chi 90 to 30 30 na 90 and 30 na nga yung chu 30 in ki bola chu total to n total number of students na ahile a question na hin say hi error like lado masanga chun average of 50 ahile error ho chu kisudi ta 30 30 ko ifan hin 45 kiti ta yati ahile average decreases by 5 mark average decreases by 5 ahile total change so ija ning ham tele 5 into total number of students total number of students n ta 5n so total number of students total change so idinga 5n ne ne ha me tile atila total candidates n here to our total number of candidates times n ma there's no change in the number of persons na just correction bo so ahile after deducting computation errors the marks of the 100 candidates had to be changed from 90 to 60 90 apana 60 na sorry 30 hilo 60 that means 30 mark deduct thung board na lai 30 mark deduct lai 30 lai yang 30 30 30 30 how many times number of students 100 and that means 100 times 30 to 100 times deduct keyboards the difference to total changes so total change lying on total change that means 5 6 is 30 and equal to 600 concept base ana put nale hitahin ko do ahile nya pat calculate southern calculate ga bol gaben number of students n is out na average to 50 n ma chara na there is no change in the number of students lang average si 45,000 5 mark decrease na aile sum si jade 50 into n 50 n na lang hin 45 into n so 45 n is a decrease sum 30 marks to 100 times that means 30 100 times to 3000 la na 50n minus 45n equal to 3000 then minus borrow chi hung po de then minus borrow 5n equal to 2000 n value to 600 total number of students so san na abanin question khat solve within say again 3 years ago the average age of the family was of a family of 5 members was 17 years kum thum masangahin 17 years ahead. A baby having been born, the average of the family is the same today. Ati lachun 17 to young in 17 na. The present age of the baby. Present age of the baby so is at hum. Ahile a question in say mi nga hai ti na family khan hin. A B C D E mi nga ai tau te. Average 17 है तीस अहिले कुमथुम जो बहिन मिखात पुनबे मिखात पुनबे हो मिखात अपन बे उबिन average 17 mama है तीस इलाई मी nga yu na lai mi ku ki so ta अहिले average 17 हिया मी nga hi उल्या total आज जाती हम ना multiply बोले value ni nang mo a question na do hi the present age of the baby f ku mi za tam thì họ được rồi na अहिले hilaya hin kum pat na muding another kum na mudi so ten hi minus bole chun iza so ding ham 17 into 6 minus 17 into 5 so na which is to multiply bol ngai lo in itin bol ham 17 common ala do chun 6 minus 5 so 17 ma ma na atina 10 hi minus so difference bulletin 17 years layat kum 10 minus ko bols 17 years ipi ham tile amoho total kum to amoho total kum difference 17 years na amoho total kum to amoho total kum hi chilai ding amoho a b c d e f changi kum chilai hi na aile minus 17 years अहिले f kum ju 17 year jing da ham ivet du so vele chun kum thum sung chi kum thum sung hi ama yong kum thum kalding that means five minga chu kum thum chi kaloba ile kum som le nga kar na if apa consider lo so ahile total difference su 10 ye total difference 17 isila chun 15 amho kum kal se 15 la da ole chun sapang pa kum chu po da ta ja ding 2 years sapang pa kum chu 2 years ta so iblinga kala do ham iblinga 15 years kala do ham 15 years iblinga kala do ham itile is 10 ni different to 17 so 17 la apana chun amho mi nga hi kum thum che after 3 years he da kum thum che kal so kum thum ama kum thum that means 15 years amho na 15 years kal so 15 years kala do am chapang pa kum kam masanga so this one here tuni chan chun nga hitin jing session hile concept tha interesting concept chule a formula cha chung to point in tu chang ya isilu concept so cho hi cho formula cho hi ki zui ni ngai hin la question so cho question ja chun chum ngi ding hi chun jing session a de hi anaki bukin hitin tuni chang ya isil ho cho lung se ten anu ko na bin lang doubts ho lu si comment box in pai la chun hi ki share jing to thai jo hi ki chu aga sei ki ne hi e thilo na ho chu ki dong to tin ki share to jing ti ana adam se emang tuni session samjita